Hi friends, welcome back to our Justin with TypeScript series. In this session, we are going to study about the multi-state selection, or you can call it selecting the multiple states also. In the previous example, we have studied about the how to select the each and every action at a time. Like we have taken the separate for the selecting the each and every action for the separately. But now I'm going to take the both are at a time, both actions at a time. Increase big cats comma increase small cats equal to use cat store. We have did previously. Using this, that component will be rendering using this code. The component will be rendering each and every button click or this function, this store changes. If you see this in the web browser, I'm going to refreshing my web browser. If you click on these buttons, like see in the button clicks also, the three this one and this one is rendered because of it will rendered because of this there is a property is there here, big cats and here big cats, but unnecessarily this third component like a cat controller component also rendering due to the button clicks. We want to, if you want to stop that, there is a way we have used the previously, like cat store dot use dot increase, and we have created one selectors called create selector. But there is another way is there. Using that we can stop that recreation of the object. If you see this state, we are going to select increase big cats equal to cat state dot increase big cats comma increase small cats, sorry, increase small cats column state dot increase small cats, increase small cats. And not only this one, we are going to use one more called shallow. Shallow is coming from the just and slash shallow. Using this shallow, we are going to stop the recreation of the object. If you see, once again save this cat controller.tsx component, and here go to the browser, and if you click on this, see, if you observe this one, if you observe that this render method is not it's render method, sorry, if you observe that this random method math.random method, it is not refreshing or not reloading or not re-rendering. See, if you I'm clicking on this button, or if you want to see once again, refresh this. If you click this button, see these two components are rendering. This catbox and catbox2 is components are rendering, but this one is not rendering. If you click on the add small cats also, same thing happening. This component is not rendering. We have used this shallow. Actually, shallow will do the stops the recreation of this object. Recreation of the object, just and object. You can call as just and object also. Recreation of the just and object. If you remove this shallow, what will happen? We are going to see. If you remove this shallow, it will go to the previous only, previous thing, and refresh this one. And if you once again click on this, see again it is rendering. Again it is re-rendering the component when the button clicks. If you want to make it as a stop recreation, one more extra semicolon, comma is there, and place the shallow keyword, and save this component and refresh the web page, and once again test the web page. See, now random method is not rendering, not re-rendering. See, if you observe this, only these above two components are rendering, and this one is not rendering. Due to this somewhat extent, we are going to stop the recreation of the just and object. You can call it as a just object, or you can call it as a just and object. That's all, friends. If you If you like my content, if you like my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.